built for the next level image quality. It combines 9 pieces of glass. 4 of the 9 are spherical lenses, and with a half CMOS sensor. Acaso Brave 8. You can get 48 megapixels photos, 8K time-lapse videos, smooth moments with 4K, 60 frames per second, and capture more details in 16 times slow motion than 8 times. AI face metering detects human faces smartly. Super smooth shoots images and videos with gimbal-like steadiness. The waterproof body helps you see the world down to 33 feet. Boosted battery guarantees longer duration. Connect the camera with app. You can preview, edit, and share your life instantly. Let this remote control help you see scenes with a master stroke. Trust me, it is better than ever. Brave 8. Next level, nothing less.